While some of the videos in this video explain how not to drive, some offer suggestions.
The complex is through a towering gated colonnade that contains the first 40 stone columns ever erected on Earth. Each one rises 33 feet, and the framework surrounding them testifies to the...
When he said he was going to change lanes, he went to the road. The white car crashed into the other car as it tried to pass. She set off without looking at the road and rubbed against the car. They hit very hard. The drivers were distracted. The consequences of running a red light were severe.
It looks like asphalt, but this batch has a special ingredient in
Another light crash.
I want to be
Ma'am, since we've been together since 2008, she hasn't started working until actually about 3 weeks ago. It was actually first-time job.
He regretted
Hooking or stripping?
It's not hooking.
You're selling your body for money. Hooker.
No, it's not.
Anyways.
Excuse me.
Anyways.
If you've watched this far, can you subscribe and like? The driver is cheap.
Go ahead and start med units. It means in third. What happened? You okay?
She was almost under the truck. Never knew there was an extra passing lane. He could not center the lane and crashed into the vehicle. Remember to look in the mirror when changing lanes. Left turns are hard.
No, ya está bien así. Mira. Está bien así.
No, sí.
A ver. Mira, está pasando.
¡Ay!
¿Se quedaron o no? Ya.
He hit hard from behind.
Doggy's
Damn.
driving.
Huravan was suddenly out of place.
Sir, I get it. Could you go though? That sucks.
Don't forget to look in the mirror when you stop.